All right, today we're gonna bring a nice, elegant LED. This one actually hangs, so if you have a kitchen or a place you want to hang this is a perfect thing. They'll hang up from the ceiling. They gave you plenty slack for your actual connection. The ceiling mount is about 4 inches. All right, so it's very simple. You know, it has three cables: neutral, hot, and ground. All right. So this is the base, and of course you can feed as much cable as you want, or if you don't need the whole cable because your table's too close, you could actually extract even closer or longer. It's up to you. So this base itself, it's LED base, all right? This is like a frost plastic. It's these two areas light up. We're gonna test it out right now as a template just so you guys can see how bright it is. This is the LED light, how it's gonna shine from upside down, all right? So it's really bright because you can see the light shining on the actual hand. I like this fixture that it's actually really, really bright. One area here, one bright area here. You guys can see that. Very simple, very unique, easy to set up. I like this product that if you have a multiple ones, 3 or 4 of them, you could set them up over your dining table. Very beautiful. Take a look at beautiful light at night. Long string, elegant, lights up the entire room here. Very simple to install. Now let's take a look at the actual. This frost looks beautiful, illuminates the top and the bottom. All right. Setting up is easy. Putting the string even easier. You can make them short or long. Doesn't matter how you want to do it. Now setting up the top, you can pull the string if you want, and it also has a tie at the bottom of the base too, so illuminating the whole area here. Beautiful, elegant light. Hope you guys enjoy the video.